Today, we report the testing of 2,112 samples, of which 123 turned positive over the last 24 hours. The total number of confirmed or positive cases we have in the country is now at 2,216. And the number of samples that we have tested so far is 85,058. These positive cases are from the following counties: Nairobi, 44, Mombasa, 34, Busia, 20, Uasin Gishu, 12, Kiambu, 3, Kajiado, 3, Nyeri, 3, Kilifi, 2, Garissa, 1, and Laikipia, 1. Distribution of the cases in the sub-counties within these counties is as follows. The 44 cases in Nairobi are from Kibra, 10, Westlands, 9, Dagoretti, 4, Embakasi West, 4, Embakasi South, 3, Langata, 3, Makadara, 3, Mathare, 3, Kasarani, 3, Ruaraka and Kamkunji, 1 each. In Mombasa, the 34 cases are from Mvita, 11, Jomvu, 8, Changamwe, 5, Likoni, 4, Kisauni and Nyali, 3 each. That's it for Mombasa. The 20 cases in Busia are all truck drivers at the Malaba border point, while the 12 cases in Uasin Gishu are also of truck drivers at Tarbo. Similarly, the 3 cases in Kajiado are all truck drivers. In Nyeri, the 3 cases are from Nyeri Central, 2, and Nyeri South, 1. In Garissa, the 1 case is from Garissa Town, and in Laikipia, the 1 case is from Laikipia West. 90 of the 123 positive cases over the last 24 hours are male, and 33 are female. The youngest is 8 years old, and the oldest is 84 years old. We have also sadly lost 3 patients from COVID-19, all of whom are males. 2 of them are from Nairobi, while 1 is from Nyeri. The youngest one is 12-year-old boy who tested positive posthumously, while the other 2 are 41 years and 71 years of age, respectively. Our heartfelt condolences to their families and friends.